Let go of the door.
Get the deputy. I am a firefighter. You will not.
On July 3rd, 2023, officers were dispatched to a disturbance in a neighborhood involving a female driver exhibiting signs of impairment. Witnesses reported that the driver had struck multiple trash cans and mailboxes with her vehicle.
Like I said, she's sorry for everything, and she already realized that she up. And what?
1074 South 316.
You get to sit there quietly until I'm done talking. I'm disappointed in you.
Info, please?
Do you have ID on you?
Yeah.
What happened, ma'am? What happened? What happened? What? No, we need to know what happened. You were involved in a collision, right? What happened?
I need 2 minutes.
No,
You
what?
Shut the door.
No, absolutely not. No, what happened? Is there a reason why you don't want to tell us what happened? Have you been drinking today?
No, yes.
Huh?
No, yes.
So then how are we hitting garbage cans and whatnot? What happened? Is there a reason why you don't want to just answer my questions?
Do you know the answer to that as an officer?
No, that's why I'm asking you.
Well, I'm a firefighter myself.
You're a what?
I'm a firefighter myself.
Where are you a firefighter at?
KFR.
Where?
KFR.
KFR firefighter, huh?
Community.
Is it oftentimes that when you go on calls and you ask for information that people just say, give me 2 minutes, and then you just stand there and...
No,
oh yeah, while your house is burning, absolutely, I'll wait.
No. Is this house burning?
I'm just asking if I can get the same respect that I would give you if you were...
you're trying to ask whether or not this situation is similar and isn't. There's only a certain amount of questions that you can ask.
I can ask a million questions until I figure out what happens. Because the
could,
next opportunity is for you to
there's
go into cuffs
only-
for obstruction. Do you want to do that route, or do you want to just act like the adult that you are and just tell me what happened and we can figure this out a lot quicker?
Right.
Right.
To your conclusion quicker.
I don't have a conclusion because I don't know what happened. I don't even have a starting point.
Are you on any medication right now?
I take...
Have you been drinking today? Why were you driving?
I wasn't.
We got some people that say that you were. You want to start with telling us the truth so we can...
Someone across the street can say that I could be lighting off bombs across the street. That isn't
Okay,
much.
look, we're heading off on the wrong thing here, okay? What we want to
Can you
do...
listen to me as the officer of the law?
I'm just
a
letting you
lot
know
of people,
you're about a step away
a
from
lot
being
of-
taken into custody, okay?
a lot of people.
So I want to go ahead and make sure that we understand
If
each
I'm
other
not
here,
going
alright?
to be listened to, then
She is,
what?
look, I promise you, she is not. Would it be alright if I spoke? Sorry, man.
I actually need to get from her.
He is the person who I've been with, who has been through this entire thing.
Who was driving this thing?
This? When
Him.
it went off?
When this was colliding into garbage cans and everything,
I
who was
assume you're
driving this
sober,
vehicle?
right?
Yes, I'm sober.
He is the one that's been driving.
Who was driving this
Me.
car, sir?
The car?
Yes. She was driving? Okay, perfect. So now we know that you were driving, so let's start this whole thing over again, okay? What happened?
We want to be able to help you,
Well,
okay?
let's take this based off of someone else's word,
Okay,
right?
sure.
I'm sitting in the passenger seat.
Now you are, but during the incident
Now
you
I
weren't.
am,
Right.
but though you have no merit to say I wasn't.
I'm not saying you weren't. I'm telling you that you
No,
were
you
in the
said
driver's
that
seat.
I was in the passenger seat.
I'm losing my patience
Officer-
with you, there, Miss Firefighter. Okay. Is this how
Talk
you...
to me like that.
Are you not a firefighter?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. There you go.
Okay, then don't call me Miss Firefighter.
Perfect. Then can you start giving me some respect that I would give you if you were working right now? And just answer some basic
Not
questions?
with the tone of voice that you have.
Then start acting like an adult. I don't understand this whole dog and pony show that you're playing here. I'm simply asking you what happened. If you weren't driving, say I wasn't driving, he was driving, this is what happened.
I wasn't driving.
Perfect.
He was.
Okay,
I walked
and what
my
happened?
dog down this road
Okay,
so that she can get some air.
Okay.
'Cause she was in the car.
perfect.
I came back, put her in the car,
Mm-hmm.
and then I come back and him and the lady lives, I think that's here or over there, came back after I took my dog on a walk.
Mm-hmm.
They started making ruckus. And I said, ma'am, I didn't do anything wrong. I took my dog on a walk.
Okay.
She's like, okay, well, I heard some commotion outside, and I'm not sure what it was. So all of this is hearsay.
Okay.
None of it is provable.
Okay.
What
How
I'm going to tell you, sir, what's your name?
Yeah, I don't want to interrupt you, so keep talking.
There was nothing that I created in this situation.
Okay.
And as we parked our cars before we were going to find out where we were going to go, we parked...
Cars, as in plural?
Yeah, no, he has his car too.
Oh, where's your car?
This.
Okay.
You want to ask him where his car is? You
Yes.
ask him.
Where's your car at?
Mine?
Yeah.
Can we talk to me and you before you talk to him?
You told me to ask him.
No, I didn't. I said if you want to know where his car is,
Ask him. And that's what I did.
I didn't say it right now.
I don't work for you. I do what I want when I want, actually.
And I don't like that personality. Can I get another deputy, please?
We're not
I don't
deputies.
want to talk to you. I want to talk to another deputy.
That's unfortunate. I'm the one investigating this.
I would like to talk to another deputy.
No. And I would like you to start answering questions.
I would like to her.
No, you don't get to. You're not running the show.
I don't want to run the show, but I know my rights.
You don't get. And a right of picking officer is not a right.
Yeah, it is. Because if I choose not to talk to you,
Then I'll just place you under arrest for DUI based on witness statement.
what's a witness statement?
If you don't know what a witness statement is, I can't help you there because it is what it is, right? A witness statement. Okay. They're saying that you were driving this car, and based on the way you're acting.
You know what I could say is that you last night were driving drunk under your patrol car and hit somebody and then ran. What merit does that hold? I'm not dumb. I've served. I'm a firefighter EMT.
Okay,
I'm not stupid.
I didn't say you're stupid, but you're acting
Yeah,
very
but I am
unprofessional
asking
for
you
someone that would.
respectfully, I would like to talk to your supervisor if that's okay.
No, you're talking to
Are
me.
you the supervisor?
I am not a supervisor, but I am
would like to talk to the supervisor. And if not, I'll get out of the car respectfully, or you call your supervisor.
I don't need to
here.
call the supervisor to investigate a
Then
DUI.
I will not answer any more questions.
Then I'm going to
until
place
I
you
talk.
under arrest for DUI. She was the driver, correct? Okay, so go ahead and get out for me. Get out for me. Relax. 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 Let go of the door.
Let go. Stop resisting. It's just going to be easier this way, please. Not trying to be rude about it.
No.
Relax. Don't do it.
What am I being arrested for?
You're not being unarrested. You're being arrested.
What am I
Would it
being
be alright
arrested
if I
for?
scooted the door forward so I can close this?
Hang on a second.
We'll close in a second.
She's being arrested.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me?
You know, the reason that
Alright, I'll see you
What's
soon.
wrong? I'll just close the door.
I need red keys off the floorboard before the door locks. Keys, please. I'm not trying to be rude.
No, you're good. I got you. That way.
No. I would like to talk to a supervisor.
Don't do it.
Okay. Face this window. Give me a wide stance, okay?
No.
You have anything on you?
Are you done? I'm gonna put you in the back
I'm
of the
black,
car.
by the way.
But you can just go in the back and we can do this.
What are you putting me?
Get in.
Where are you putting me in?
We're looking at info-wise because of her behavior and that she's a danger to herself or others at this time. I don't want to see you get hurt having her do something silly or anything along those lines. And right now her decision-making is in question, okay? So what's her...
I could take her directly into the house right here.
This
and
is
keep an eye
not
on
this
her.
is not a punitive thing. This is a healthcare thing. This is something that we're trying to help her with. Because if she's so out of range of normal behavior with this current medication, we don't know if this is just going to level off or if it's still going to go up. Does that make sense? So we got to take care of that.
So there wouldn't be no way that I'd be able to just hold her here until she calms down.
Our lieutenant's on the way here. We'll let him make the decision on that. But I'm just letting you know where we're going with this.
Okay. Is she being charged with anything?
If she gets involved, she's not going to be charged with anything, no.
Her name's about all I know. Like I said, I've known her from next door for a while.
You have her name? Yeah. How long have you known her?
Me?
No.
Maybe about about a year.
So you've known her for a year to the point where you're willing to take her inside your house and you only know her as...
Came to collect firewood.
Okay. No.
The lieutenant arrived and was briefed on the situation.
So what we have is she is under the influence of new medication. She's diagnosed with depression, and the new medication that she took today, I talked to her, got pretty close to her. I smell no alcohol. No odor of intoxicants that I can smell. Not her behavior.
On the medication.
Way off the chart. She's refusing to answer questions and she's being pretty defiant.
Would you be willing to wait?
Hey, hang on just a second.
Yep, my bad.
Pretty belligerent, which is not uncommon with new medication. While it's certainly the definition of driving under the influence, it's not something that she did voluntarily. So I would like to go with the invol route versus the driving under the influence route. I don't know if her medication is still going up or if it's leveling out. So I think she's going to be a danger to herself and others at this point. That's what I'm looking at. But the what?
What med is it? What's the med?
For depression.
What is it though?
Oh, I don't know. We didn't get to that.
She hasn't been willing to talk to us much at all.
I guess my concern would be, I mean, if this is a med that is consistent with these strong side effects, like is it really going to lead her to do all this crazy driving, and did she take the right, I mean, what's the dosage, right? Is it something that you think is consistent with that, or is she just saying that to get
She's
out
not saying that
she's
at
not
all.
saying that.
Right. It's this guy saying that.
And is he to her?
Friend.
Yeah.
With that, we're going to err on the side of going the DUI route. We're not going to not do it just because he says she's on some new med, especially if she doesn't want to talk to us. We'll just do the DUI, and if she wants to bring that in as her defense later on, then that's fine.
Okay.
We'll just,
Fortunately, the lieutenant was present to make that crucial call.
Do you want to talk to me now? Okay, Daisy, I just need you to listen to this, and then we can talk, okay? You have, listen. Is it mine? Do you wish to talk to us now? Okay, so talk to me about what's going on. What do you mean you don't know?
Austin knows better than I was sober.
You what?
I don't remember after getting here. I said hi to his grandma, and then that was that.
Okay. Have you had alcohol today? Have you had any alcohol today?
2 shots of vodka.
2 shots of vodka? What time was that at?
I don't know.
Did you have anything besides 2 shots of vodka? No. These things happen, but we have you in custody now. So what my plan is to take you to the station, have you blow in the machine. Does that feel like something you can comply with and we can just get it done? No?
I don't know how much alcohol I have in my system.
Okay.
No, I'm not blowing because
Okay.
I can have nothing.
And that's your choice, right? But if you don't do the breath test, we're going to do what's called a blood warrant, and they will get blood from you instead. Okay? I'm just letting you know. We'll write a blood warrant. We'll take you to the hospital, and we'll go that route instead.
So
Not the person I was with, but another person that gave me Xanax.
So you had Xanax today too?
Just that. I haven't drank in over almost 2 months.
You told me earlier on the way here you had 3 shots of like Tito's or something.
Yeah, like I've taken a shot or 2, but I haven't like drank and got drunk
Okay.
for about 2 months.
Alright. You got an anklet and then that one right there.
This has been on since Mother's Day.
Okay.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
I really don't want to take it off.
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am, but we need you to take it off, please, and put it in the bag, okay?
Why?
Because you're in jail right now for driving under the influence. You've made some bad decisions today.
Why? Who said you didn't see me driving? So it's hearsay.
Okay.
No, it's hearsay. You did
Ma'am, I don't
not
wanna-
see me
I
driving.
want to have to
did
take
you?
those off. Can you please take those off yourself? Please, and put them
Can
right
you
there.
answer me a question?
Sure.
Did you see me drunk driving?
Did I? I did not.
Did you?
I did not.
Then I need you to find the person who did.
We did. We already
not.
found them.
You did. And they're providing statements and everything.
Huh?
They're providing statements.
Providing statements.
Mm-hmm.
Not
Let's not-
from an
let's-
official.
Let's not argue.
I'm not taking
Let's
this
not argue.
off until I talk to the person.
No.
That's not going to happen.
I don't want to have to take them off you, but they need to come off. It needs to come off.
Okay.
You're not making great decisions right now, okay?
And we'll give it back to you as soon as we can. We'll get it right back on for you,
I'm
Daisy.
crying right now
I can
because
see.
I have
Okay.
never been in jail.
Okay.
This was for my daughter's
Okay.
6-month birthday. I'm not taking it off.
Okay.
You are. And we
You
would...
go find a
Daisy.
supervisor who would listen to me, and you go find the officer, and then I'll listen.
Not
Take it
making
off.
great decisions
You're
right
not
now.
understanding. I'm not drunk.
Okay. Okay.
This bracelet
I
means
heard
more
you.
to me
And that's why we would
Get
rather.
out of my face.
No, we would rather you take it off. If you take it off, it'll be a lot easier.
You touch me. You are liable for a lawsuit.
Okay, that's why we'd like you to do that and take it off.
I don't want to.
And we don't want to have to take it off of you, but we're
They
going
go
to.
by the supervisor. This fucking bracelet is staying on my ankle. It has not been taken off for 2.5 years.
Here's the thing.
I don't care what the thing is. I know the law.
Then I'm just gonna cut it off. Then that's what will happen.
If you cut it off,
Tell me what.
please don't.
Then please work
Just
with
take
us.
it off.
Then take
Come
it
on.
off.
No.
Then take it off, please.
I haven't had it off.
The only person that's
2
making
years.
this difficult is you.
I'm only standing up.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Stop.
No,
Have a
you're gonna
seat.
sit down. Sit down.
And take this off, please. Okay?
If you
Please.
touch me like the way that
Then
you
don't
did,
stand up.
Then don't stand up. And take that off, please.
you are going to have a lawsuit.
Okay,
And my
I
dad
heard
is
you.
very, very
I heard you.
official about
That's
that.
fantastic. Take that off, please.
If you touch my anklet,
Mm-hmm.
you will get sued.
Okay. Thank you.
Because I need to see your supervisor and yours.
Let's take that
And all
off,
I'm
please.
saying is do not take
Yeah. I heard you.
Do not take
Okay.
that off.
Here for you.
This is
I
not
heard you.
coming off.
Okay. Can I see your foot, please?
Huh?
Can I see your foot, please?
No.
Yeah. I need to get that off you. I'm sorry, but it's standard policy. It's gonna go in the bag with everything else,
No.
and then you get it right
You
back.
are not taking that off.
We are.
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
Get your supervisor now.
Oh, ma'am.
I know the law, sir.
Okay.
I'm allowed to a free phone call. My dad will be here in a second.
Okay, and that will happen at the jail. Unfortunately, you're not at jail right now. Do not stand.
I'm not.
Sit down. Do
I'm
not stand up.
not.
Don't do that.
I'm
Knock
not.
it
I
off.
was just getting forward.
Can I have
If
your
you
leg, please?
touch, no.
Okay. Then I'm gonna have to take it from you.
Get the deputy. I am a firefighter. Get the deputy, and I will talk to him.
Okay.
You will not.
We're out right now.
You will not take that bracelet off of me.
Don't.
Please don't take
There you go. Thank you very much.
It didn't end there.
I want to read it. The law of the officer. I am a firefighter. I know how it
I
works.
understand my constitutional rights, and I know
I
how
do
to
not
not
believe the
exercise
words
these
you
rights at this
say,
time.
even
And
though
these
I do
statements
to
being
an
freely
extent.
voluntarily
You talk
without
over
threats
me.
or
I
promises
would
of
really
any
like
kind.
to see what it says on the paper before I sign.
I will go
And
ahead.
that is my constitutional right. Your constitutional right is to read the random rights.
Well, they're not random.
What is the word?
We don't just get them. Not to laugh, but they're not random. Okay.
No, what's random?
Miranda.
Miranda.
If they
You're
were.
required to read me my Miranda.
Hey, Dave.
Miranda.
Go ahead.
Capable to read the rights you're reading to me. Can I do that, please?
Did you? Yeah, no problem. You want me to read these over to you again?
I would like to read them myself.
I can go ahead and hold it for you, but you're not going to grab this paper.
Okay.
In line.
I
with
don't want him in this.
Right here. Just talk to me. Okay.
I don't want him in here.
All right.
Get another deputy.
So you're being charged with driving and being under actual physical control of a motor vehicle.
That's
under the
not
influence of
true. You
intoxication.
can't.
He's just reading the page. He has to
Further,
read
you're
this.
now
to you,
being asked
okay?
to submit
Just
a
listen.
test for your breath, which consists of 2 separate samples of your breath taken independently to determine alcohol concentration. At
I'm
least
not
90 days
stupid. I
you
can
are
go to the department.
age.
You know what? Let's do breathalyzer.
Okay.
Let's do it.
This is the first
Driving
step.
under the influence.
The woman underwent a breathalyzer test.
What was the VAC?
0.09.
So it's over 0.08.
Can I have my phone call now?
To who?
It's not your business.
Okay, no. So go ahead and stand up for me.
She was escorted back to holding and later transferred to jail.
I
between you and
didn't
the judge
drive
now.
drunk, sir.
The argument
I'm a
is between you and the
firefighter.
judge
We
now.
can talk to each other
You can
with
either.
respect.
I'm trying to, but you're refusing to respect
I
me. So
understand that, but you
either.
were also by talking
you
over
either
me
come
when I
willingly
tried
or we're
tell you
stepping
that
in to
I
take
was not
you.
driving, my friend was.
I'm not gonna.
So
There's no argument.
why am I here? here.
There's
but
no argument.
He's not.
Hey, Daisy.
Either you
There
come
is
willingly
an
or
argument.
I'm stepping in.
Go ahead and stand up for us, Daisy. Okay?
I need to understand the full extent of what happened.
I have already explained it to you. I don't know.
No, you didn't. You were very vague.
All right.
Okay. All right, go ahead and stand up for me. Come on.
If you touched me,
Nothing. Let's go.
Stand
Stand
up.
up.
Turn around.
I'll get the cup on the top.
Give me this hand. Take this hand.
Take a breath. Take a breath. Step forward.
Lift your right leg up.
Relax. Don't
no, I'm gonna.
Hey. Stop.
No, because I was the one driving the.
Okay. Pick your foot up. I don't want you to trip. I don't want to have to carry you out of your day. I've been super nice to you, right?
You have.
Okay, so then can you just walk out of here?
This motherfucker is a state.
This way, please.
And he,
Okay.
his hands off of me. I don't appreciate, as a person of the law and all, being treated with disrespect. So,
Cool.
can you please
Stop.
hold on?
No.
Nope, I'm gonna do a George Floyd.
No, you're not.
I am.
These need to be double locked.
This hurts.
Then stop.
This hurts my wrist,
Double lock it.
dude. God damn it. I wasn't even the one driving.
Cool, you can tell the judge in a couple days.
No, I'm not sitting in jail.
Have a seat. Turn around and
I'm not sitting in jail. No, I'm not sitting in jail.
Get in.
No, I'm not sitting when I'm even the one driving.
Get inside.
I wasn't even the one
Get in.
driving.
Stand her up. Come on. I'm gonna have to push you in. Then get in.
put your feet down. Put your feet down. Put your feet down. Thank you.
Why am I being arrested but he isn't?
Because you were driving.
Driving while
I wasn't driving. I don't want that on me. No, no. I don't want that on me.
Don't.
You have to have a seatbelt on.
Then relax.
I don't want
kick
one on
me.
me. Oh, you're getting sued now.
Okay, push
You
her.
just punched me, girl.
You just
Getting
kicked me,
sued
homie.
now. No, I didn't. I
Yes, you
kicked the
just
door.
did. Don't kick me. Don't
Not.
kick me.
I'm not. I'm kicking the
Go
door.
ahead. Go underneath my arm.
Y'all are some piece of shit cops.
Let it all the way out, okay? Let it just come in.
That's fine. Don't worry about that. I got the leg. Don't worry about the leg.
There you go. Stop. Don't kick
Stop.
her.
Stop. Back up.
that bruise.
Then don't kick her.
Like that bruise.
Then do not kick her again. You understand?
You want to get sued?
I'll do it again if you kick her.
You want to get sued?
I got
Don't
it.
kick her.
You want to get sued?
Kyle, back up. I got it.
Oh, I'm gonna love that bruise on my chin. That's unnecessary force, bitch.
The woman was charged with DUI as well as assaulting a police officer. What is your opinion on the officer's handling of the